So my role during the First Choice Repair Network during the previous hurricane was to do the in-person inspections all across North Florida. That's from Tallahassee to Jacksonville. I met with the claim holders for each of the Security First policyholders on their actual property, did the inspection, did the follow-up, and kept them informed throughout the whole process until their approval or whatever the result was of their claim.
We basically went in, we would respond when the claims came in quickly for a time and phase to take care of the insured, to get back the information to Security First as quick as possible. And then once the approvals came in, we went and did our work, whether it's on the re-roof or the interior of the home.
Our role in the hurricane response was to send out inspectors and emergency services to the areas that were impacted. We were in the last hurricane, we were over near the Tampa, Orlando areas. We had our crews installing tarps. We were doing between 20 and 40 tarps a day for several days, get our inspectors out there to try to get the homeowners back to their previous condition as soon as possible.
Our role, Kruger Disaster Recovery Team in the hurricane response, is assisting folks that have had either a tree fall onto their structure of their home or their pool or a fence, and also if they have any roof leaking or maybe perhaps shingles are missing or part of their roof got torn off. We also mitigate the loss by placing a heavy-duty tarp on their roof with sandbags.